picked boba tea. That isn't even good. I don't like it. So I went to my work because my work's awesome. And I'm gonna make my own tea because I'm a cheap person. And I'm gonna use fruit snacks and that in their iced tea because that is what we do in real life. We do this kind of stuff. Yeah, I know I'm cheap. So anyway, I had to brew my own tea because my coworkers dumped my tea out. But yeah, look, check this out. I made tea. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can do about a gallon of this stuff. This is so lame. This thing's hot. That's not hot. Alright.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah. Like I said, how about she dumped my tea out, so I'll save the rest of it. Okay, cool. This is gonna be so delicious, I can't even stand it. Oh my god. Yum. This is classy. This is awesome. Okay, so I got my tea. It's delicious. Look at yum 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 yum. And it's like milky, so I was too cheap to buy a whole thing of milk, so I brought creamer in, so it's even better. Yeah, see how delicious that looks? That's good. Alright, yeah, delicious. Alright, and then because they have the jelly stuff in there, we got fruit snacks. Yeah, this is lame, I know. You guys can laugh at it, I don't really care.
It's just like, it's gonna hurt me.
No, it's disgusting. It's not gonna be sweet like you would usually get in a restaurant. Yeah, I suppose I could put some Splenda in it.
It puts like sugar.
Well, probably. Well, it'll probably slop on you like you chug it too fast up there, actually, because of the way it is. But, you like that little boba tea, the little tapioca things in the bottom of it? It's great. Oh my gosh.
Get it together.
I know, I have my days. Why can't I open a fruit snack? I'm starting plastic for my. Why can't I have this? No, you don't have to get a knife. Oh, you're on. Okay. I'll do that.
That's not a knife.
Yeah, this ain't a knife. There you go. What every child's dreams are made of. Oh crap. I really have nothing better to do with my time. Oh, alright. So you can see that down there. You can see all the little bubble things. Look, it's my bubble tea. I'm not sure this. I don't want to hurt myself.
Just bring it to me after.
Okay, I really don't want to lose a ditch of doing this. Alright, cool. Thank you. And honestly, I think it's sweet, so I'm going to put like a couple Splendas in there. Splenda's delicious. Nela, I really don't like you right now. This is awkward. There it is. That looks come on down to harvest time where you can get a whole gallon of boba tea. That's disgusting.
You want like a timer or
I don't
something?
even like tea. Nah. I'll figure out a way to do that some other way. I guess so. Alright. Oh, I would probably put it. Yeah, I gotta open it up.
You don't?
No.
That thingy.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I can put it in different cups, but then it would probably be easier.
That's
but
lame.
it's gonna slop all over me.
No, you're being a wimp. Stop.
Okay, I'm hearing music. That music sucks. I'm gonna have to kick her butt, so whatever. Might have to cut and have crap music while this is over doing this music, so. Yeah, I know, I didn't want the music on there. Hold on one sec. Hold on. Okay, I gotta have more Splenda because it tastes like trash. So, still tastes like trash. You know what? Leave me alone. It's not my fault, it's your birthday. happy birthday, sir. My boss's birthday today, and we celebrate it every day with hugs and so much love. Nah, he hates me. I got like a gallon of. See, look at the little jellies at the bottom. They're like a chunk. That's gross. Here you go, Nela.
It looks delicious.
It looks like.
We should serve that every day.
Yeah, why not? Alright, I'm
Every
gonna try
day.
not to slop this, so, alright, guys. God. 3, 2, 1.
Yes. How come you never want to clean the grill? I did. Not the flat top. I did. You want to come see what I see?
Do you want me to go back and show what I see?
No. You stay right there.
I got my little jellies!
Mmm.
My boba tea.
You ruined all my fruit snacks for that.
That Monte did do a good job.
Chef,
Yeah.
I don't have enough money to pay the server. And I haven't even gotten the bar door.
That sounds like a personal problem.
I can fix that.
Okay. What? That was a miserable minute, 10 seconds of my life.
That was weak. Do it again.
It was really soft, but it was gonna slop all over me, which it did actually.
You know what?
So I had to like, I couldn't pour it. It was gross.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching my fake team. Have a great day. See you next week. Nella, you're gonna hate me next week. So, you could. All right, folks. So, in the retro of all of this tea and whatever and whatnot, like I said, man, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more thinking when I do stuff like challenges with heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna tell you what right now. So, I felt like crud all night. Like I said, it's the day after. I had worked a double yesterday, so it was really cool because my boss, super cool dude. I love my job. They let me come in now and I can film there whenever I want. So I actually have the use of a kitchen and a restaurant, so which is awesome. So like I said, I am beyond grateful for stuff like that. But I'm gonna say, don't drink heavy whipping cream and crummy tea, because I'll tell you what right now, my guts have been rotten for at least 12 hours. And man, I don't know. Like I said, we need some constructive videos to do for girls versus food. So, man, I hate feeling like trash. So if anybody has some amazing ideas that are in the 5 to 10 pound region, because we're trying to make this fun. We aren't trying to be like, oh, look at that, let's eat this 20 pound whatever. We're making it doable. We're trying to make it somewhat fun and playful and still a challenge in the least, but still fun and whatnot. So if you have any ideas of things that aren't going to be complete garbage and trash and not too above and beyond, I know I'm not going to go out and spend $500 on anything like some Kobe beef challenge or something like that. But make it doable, make it fun, make it so both me and Nella can grab on something like that, and make it so I don't feel like I'm in dire straits, distress, and feel like that, you know, I should be near a bathroom for the next, I don't know, 2 days. I guess if you really feel like I need to be near the bathroom, that's fine. So throw out some ideas, trying to have some fun with this, and yeah, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. So if y'all want to throw out your vote, whatever, pick and choose, let us know.